Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Launch Creader 3001 OBD2 scanner. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants to stay on top of their vehicle's health, this is the perfect tool for you. The Launch Creader 3001 is a powerful engine fault code reader with Mode 6 Diagnostic scan tool for all OBD protocol cars since 1996. It's designed to read and clear fault codes for the engine system, making it easy for you to identify and fix any issues that may arise. What sets the Creader 3001 apart is its built-in fault codes definition lookup library, which makes it incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. You can use it to check the status of emission-related monitors, the misfire system, and the fuel system, helping you pass smog checks easily and saving you money on fines. But that's not all. This scanner can also turn off the mill, check engine light after you've made repairs, and can even read your car's VIN number. Plus, it supports live data for the engine system, allowing for quick and easy detection of vehicle failures. And here's the best part: the Launch Creader 3001 comes with a 5-year warranty and is recommended by mechanic Scotty Kilmer on YouTube. So you can trust that you're getting a high-quality product. So if you're ready to take your car maintenance to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Launch Creader 3001 OBD2 scanner today. And remember, if you're not satisfied for any reason, you can always send it back for a 100% no questions asked refund. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content.